everybody. It is time for tonight's bedtime story, and as you can see, we're going to do this from the farm again tonight, because we had projects to do, didn't we, Mr. Phillip? Yes. So Owen and Philip and Norma, and you can see that some of the baby goats, Holly's over here, here's Thatcher, Jim's back here. Hi, Duchess. Some of the babies you're used to from regular story time have already moved out here, so they're going to join us tonight, too. All right. Tonight's story, which has some fun animal sounds in it, is The Happy Man and His Dump Truck by Miriam. Once upon a time, there was a man who had a dump truck. Every time he saw a friend, he would wave his hand and tip his dumper. One day, he was riding in his dump truck singing a happy song when he met a pig going along the road. "Would you like a ride in my dump truck?" he asked. "Oh, thank you," said the pig, and he climbed into the back of the truck. After they had gone a little way down the road, the man saw a friend. He waved his hand merrily and tipped the dumper. "Whee!" said the pig. "What fun!" And he slid all the way down to the bottom of the truck. Very soon, they came to a farm. "Here is where my friends live," said the pig. "We have a nice dump truck. Would you please let my friends see your truck?" "I will give them a ride in my dump truck," said the man. So the hen and the rooster climbed into the truck. And the duck climbed into the truck. And the dog climbed into the truck. And the cat climbed into the truck. And the pig climbed into the back of the truck too. And the man closed the tailgate so they would not fall out. And then off they went, as everybody that was supposed to be watching Storytime did, except for you, Miss Princess. Hi, baby. Okay, you'll go. They went past the farm, and all the animals waved to the farmer. The man was very happy. "They are all my friends," he said, so he waved his hand and tipped the dumper. The hen, the rooster, the duck, the dog, the cat, and the pig all slid down the dumper into a big heap. The hen said, "Quack!" The hen, the duck, quack. The rooster crowed, "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" The dog, well, he barked, "Ruff!" The cat meowed, "Meow!" And the pig, well, she just said, The animals were all so happy. Then the man took them for a long ride and drove them back to the farm. He opened the tailgate wide and raised the dumper all the way up. All the animals slid off the truck onto the ground. "What a fine sliding board," they all said. "Thank you," said all the animals. "Quack!" said the hen. "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" the rooster crowed. "Quack, quack!" quacked the duck. "Ruff, ruff!" barked the dog. "Meow!" mewed the cat. And the pig said a great big The man waved his hand and tipped the dumper, and he rode off in his dump truck, singing a happy song. Well, obviously nobody was real interested in story time tonight, as you can see over here. It also happens to be dinner time, so that took priority. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed story time more than the critters did tonight, and we'll see you again soon.